How to Fix TikTok Direct Message Option Not Showing 25 Guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to HowtoMastery. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix it when the direct message option is not showing on TikTok, step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Check your age. First, make sure your account meets TikTok's age requirements. You must be 16 or older to send or receive direct messages on TikTok. If your birthday is set under 16, the DM option won't appear. Step 2. Check privacy settings. Next, open TikTok and go to Profile, Settings, and Privacy Direct Messages. Make sure your settings allow DMs. You can choose everyone, friends, or no one. If it's set to no one, you won't see the DM button. Step 3. Switch to a personal or creator account. Sometimes a business account can limit your DM features. To switch, go to Profile, Settings and Privacy, Account, switch to Personal Account, or Creator Account. Step 4. Update TikTok. An outdated app can hide or glitch features. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search TikTok, and tap Update if an update is available. Step 5. Reinstall TikTok. If DMs are still missing, uninstall TikTok, restart your phone, and reinstall the app. This refreshes your account and may fix hidden settings. Step 6. Try messaging another way. If you can't find the DM option in a profile, remember, you can only DM people who follow you back, unless your settings allow everyone. So if you can't see the message button, it might be because they don't follow you yet. Step 7. Contact TikTok support. If none of this works, go to Settings and Privacy, report a problem, direct messages, and submit your issue to TikTok support. And that's how to fix the direct message option not showing on TikTok. If this helped you out, hit like, subscribe to HowtoMastery, and drop a comment if you need help with any other TikTok feature. Thanks for watching.